some important concepts regarding mathematics. Every year, if you check your NEET previous year papers, you will be able to find one question based on differentiation. You will be able to find one question based on integration, and you will be able to find one question based on vector product. So today we are going to discuss those mathematical concepts, which will be very helpful in other chapters as well. And this particular part is from kinematics. You can either include this in kinematics or you can include this in work energy power. So today we are going to discuss those mathematical parts. So shall we start today's class? So to start with, I hope everyone know what is scalar quantity and vector quantity. What are scalar quantities? Those quantities which have only magnitude. Those quantities which have only magnitude are called as scalar quantity. Here, what does a magnitude represent? Here, magnitude represents a numerical value. And if I ask you what are the examples of scalar quantities or scalar physical quantities, you will be telling a lot of examples. Now, without wasting the time, let us move on to the vectors. What are vectors quantities which have both magnitude and a particular direction? So those quantities which have both magnitude and directions are called as vector quantities. Now, in this vector quantity, basic definitions are there. We are not going to study what is a null vector, what is a zero vector, what is a unit vector, what are coplanar vectors, what are parallel vectors, what are anti-parallel vectors. We are not going to study all those things, but we are going to study some important formulas based on these vectors. I hope everyone might have heard about unit vector. Unit vector. What is a unit vector? What is a unit vector? A vector whose magnitude is 1. Those type of vectors are called as unit vector. Now suppose let us consider one vector. I am having a vector a bar and it is given as a I cap, b j cap and c k cap, whereas I cap, j cap and k cap, or what are these I cap, j cap and k caps are called as directions. Now, if I ask you to write down the unit vector for this vector, then what is the formula you will be using? The formula for unit vector is given as a cap is equals to a bar divided by magnitude of a. So how this vector will become? This vector will become a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap divided by, he is asking us to write the magnitude. So magnitude of a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap will become what? It will become a square plus b square plus c square. So remember this formula for unit vector. Recently, they have asked the question based on this formula. Okay. Now let us move on to the next concept in this vectors only. Suppose I am having two vectors. This is vector A. There is another vector. This is vector B. And what will be the resultant vector? Resultant vector will be in this direction. Resultant vector will be in this direction. So what will be the value of resultant vector? Resultant vector R bar is given as A bar plus B bar. If I want to write the magnitude of R bar, it will become what? Magnitude of A bar plus B bar. And what is the formula for resultant vector? I hope everyone might have studied this in parallelogram law of vector. So what will be the value of resultant vector? This will become A square plus B square plus 2ab cos term. Many times problems have been asked based on this formula. So carefully see this formula. This formula will be useful in work energy power also. Okay. Next, resolution of vectors. Shall I turn the page? Or I will write here only. Resolution of vector. Resolution of vectors. See here, sometimes while deriving few equations or while solving some problems, you will be getting a vector something like this. There will be a vector which will be in this direction. I'm writing that vector as a bar. Now, if I ask you a question whether this vector is along x-axis or y-axis, what will be your answer? अगर मैं आप लोग से क्वेश्चन पूछा है वेक्टर जो है एक्स एक्सिस में है या वाई एक्सिस में, व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर? जल्दी फास्ट, whether this vector is lying in x axis or y axis. One person has said no, more than 2% said x axis, one person has said y axis, other 2% has said the both. See here, this vector is lying in xy plane. It is lying in xy plane. xy plane. So if I draw this x axis here, if I consider a y axis here, and if I consider this angle as theta, then this will become component ax and this will become component of vector ay. Now always remember, wherever theta is there, that component will become which trigonometric component, वो कौन सा component बन जाता, whether it will become cos theta or sin theta. Remember, wherever theta is there, that component will become cos theta, and wherever theta is not there, that component will become sin theta. So this will be very helpful while doing electrostatics and magnetostatics. Okay, I am turning the page. Next, we are going to study about multiplication of vectors. This is very important concept as far as work energy power and system of particle chapter is concerned. Multiplication of vectors. Say here, in multiplication of vectors, we are having two things. One is called as scalar product, or this can be also called as what? Dot product. And what is the other type of multiplication which we are having in vectors? That is called as vector product, or this can also be called as cross product. Now see here, in scalar product or dot product, whenever two vectors are multiplied, suppose there is a vector a bar and there is another vector b bar, whenever two vectors are multiplied using scalar product, what will be the answer? Whether the answer will be scalar or vector. Whenever two vectors are multiplied using dot product, jaldi boliye, it will be very good. It will be scalar, and this will be equals to what? This will be equals to AB cos theta. Remember this thing. Wherever two vectors are multiplied using dot product, the answer will be scalar, and it will be having which trigonometric function? It will be having cos trigonometric function. And further, if the directions are something like this, I am multiplying the dot product something like this. Directions. These are the directions. Dot product of directions. I bar, I cap dot I cap, j cap dot j cap, k cap dot k cap. What will be the answer? What will be the answer for this? The answer for this will be 1. Only Vadashika is answering, and Nabiha, Salma, Zeba, Sultana. What about remaining students? 3-4 जनों ही आंसर कर रहे, सब लोग आंसर करे तो मजा आता. इधर देखिए, if this was cross product, अच्छा, we'll study the things in cross product. Next one, vector product or cross product. Suppose we are having two vectors a bar and b bar, both of them are multiplied using cross product. Then whenever two vectors are multiplied using cross product, what will be the answer? Answer will be scalar or vector? The answer will be vector quantity. And whenever cross product is there, then at that time you should take trigonometric function as sin theta. Next, now someone said 0. Deva said 0. I cross I cap, j cross j cap, and k cross k cap, it will be equals to 0. But if I write this one as I cross j cap, this will be equals to what? This will be equals to k cap. J cross k cap, this will be equals to I cap, and k cross I cap, this will be equals to j cap. So I hope you know inverse of this will become negative sign. Here you will be getting negative sign for inverse things. And in cross products, I hope everyone know how to do the cross product. Cross product सब लोगों को आता, बल्कि मैं I am assuming that if there are two vectors, suppose I am writing vector a bar as ax I cap ay j cap and az k cap, and I'm having another vector b bar is equals to bx I cap, by j cap, and bz k cap. So if I ask you to write the cross product of a bar cross b bar, so what you will be doing? You will be considering a determinant. First of all, you should consider a determinant. First of all, write down the directions. What are the directions? I cap, j cap, k cap. And first, what is the letter? First, we are having a. Write down the magnitudes of a. This will become ax, ay, az. Similarly, next we are having b. Write down the magnitudes of b. This will become bx, by, and bz. Now, if I solve this, this will become, what is the first direction? First direction is I cap of, multiply this remaining two things. This will become what? Ay bz minus these things. Az by minus j cap. What will be the j cap value? J cap value will become ax bz minus az bx. Finally, what will be the value of k cap? K cap value will become ax by minus bx ay. I hope everyone know this. So, सब लोगों को मालूम है ना how to do this? इसलिए I have directly written. Yes, okay, right. चलो, let us move on to the next thing. Next, we are having differentiation and integration. Sir, please enable mic. Mic, it will create some disturbance. That is the reason I'm not enabling the mic. So next thing I'm writing is differentiation. Yeah, this is the next topic. After this, we'll be doing some integration. Then we'll move on to problems, previous year problems asked in the examination. See here. Oh, can anyone tell me what is differentiation? Differentiation का मतलब क्या है? Can anyone tell me? Abdur Rahman completed this one. Now can I turn the page? Okay. See here. Differentiation in finding the values is differentiation, breaking of large value into small values S. See here. Suppose we are having some particular area A. From this particular area, I want only this amount of component. Whenever you are having a total volume, from the total volume, I require only small quantity. Then I will be using what? I will be using the concept of differentiation. But if you consider integration, in integration, you will be knowing only small part of that area. Suppose this is entire region. You know only small part of the area. What is that area? I am writing dA. By integrating this small part, I will be getting what? I will be getting total area of that particular thing. This can be explained in another very good manner, but as of now, this is enough. In differentiation, what we will be doing? We will be considering whenever a total quantity is given, from the total quantity, in order to get small amount of quantity, we will be using the concept of differentiation. Whereas in integration, only small amount of that particular part will be given. Then what we will be doing? We'll be doing integration and getting the total part. Chaliye. Now we'll do one or two problems based on this. Then we'll move on to the previous year problem. See here. Suppose I'm writing one equation. Let that equation be x is equals to at square plus bt. Now I'm asking you to differentiate it. Differentiate it with respect to time. Acha, I hope everyone know this formula. This is one of the basic formula. D by dx x power n. What is the formula for d by dx x power n? The formula will become n into x power n minus 1. If I differentiate d by d theta of sine theta, what is the value of d by d theta of sine theta? D by d theta of sine theta की value क्या है? जल्दी बोलिए. cos theta. And what is the value of d by d theta of cos theta? It will become minus sin theta. Similarly, for integration, we are having some basic formula. That is, what is that? X power n dx is equals to, what is the answer? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. If I write integration sin theta into d theta, what is the value of integration sin theta into d theta? It will become minus cos theta. And what is the value of integration cos theta into d theta? This will become sin theta. So these are some basic formulas. Madiha is telling, sir, in my institute, they said no problems will come from integration and differentiation. Okay, madam, please, you can only verify, just check out the question papers. Previous year question paper dekhiye, or I will show some problems. We are going to do the previous year problems. Don't worry. See here. See here, if I differentiate it with respect to t, what this will become? This will become dx by dt is equals to d by dt of at square plus bt. Shall I do this entirely by applying the formula? Shall I write this directly? आप लोगों को मालूम ना? Everyone know this? How to do this? या फिर directly? I can do directly also. I will do once like this by applying the formula. A constant है, constant को बाहर निकालो, यहाँ पर t square है, तो I am applying this formula. X power n को formula apply करते क्या बनता? 2 into t power 2 minus 1 plus b भी constant है, फिर differentiate करते dt by dt आता, फिर will be getting 1. So what this will become? This will become 2at plus b. Otherwise, you can directly look at the equation and do the answer, madam. ये अगर ये equation को directly देखिए आप लोग, at square plus bt. If you are looking at the equation directly, you can write the answer. dx by dt is equals to, what is the power here? Power is 2. Write down that power here. 2at, reduce the 2 by 1. यहाँ पर 2 है ना, उसको 1 से reduce करो, इधर 1 आया था. Next, what is the power here? t के ऊपर power 1 है. So this will become 1 into b into t power. t का power 1 से reduce करो तो 0 आता. So what will be our answer? Our answer will become 2at plus b. I will give one more thing. आप लोग इसका आंसर जल्दी बोलिए मेरे को. at cube plus bt square plus cat. What will be the answer for if I differentiate it with respect to t? जल्दी बोलिए. I'm waiting for the answers first. This will become, यहाँ पर power क्या है? 3 है, so this will become 3a, reduce the power by 1, this will become 3at square plus what is here? 2 है, यहाँ पर इसका 2bt, power x reduce करो, यहाँ पर कुछ भी 1 each power है, so this will become 3at square plus 2bt plus c. Now suppose I am writing this equation. I am writing one question. Now we are going to do integration. Now here he has given that dx by dt is equals to 2at plus b बोल के क्वेश्चन दिया मैडम, and he is asking you to find the value of x. x find out करो बोल रहा. So whenever small quantity is given, if you want to get total quantity, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to do integration. So this equation can be written as what? This equation can be written as dx of 2at plus b into dt. Now this is small quantity. Now what I will be doing? I will be integrating this. This will become what? dx is equals to integration 2at plus b into dt. अगर इसको मैं separate करा तो what this will become? This will become 2at into dt plus integration b into dt. This is the actual procedure, but directly also we can say the answer. See here, 2a तो constant है. 2a is constant, so this will become t into dt plus b is also constant, so this will become integration dt. So by applying this formula, ये formula apply करे तो, if I apply this formula, what answer I will be getting? I will be getting the answer as 2a. यहाँ पर t का power क्या है? 1 है. So if I apply this formula, t power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, तो ये क्या बन जाता? e square divided by 2 plus b into integration dt. Integration dt will become t and integration dx will become x. So what is our final answer? If I cancel this 2, I am getting the final answer as at square plus bt. देखो यही क्वेश्चन आया फिर से, अगेन आई गॉट द सेम क्वेश्चन. इसका आंसर को मैं इंटीग्रेट करा तो मेरे को क्वेश्चन आया, इसके क्वेश्चन को इंटीग्रेट डिफरेंशिएट करा तो मेरे को इसका आंसर आता. So we can say that differentiation and integration are inverse to each other. Remember this point. Differentiation and integrations are inverse to each other. By looking at this equation also you can directly write down the answer. ये equation को देख के directly answer लिख सकते हैं. कैसा बोल के बोले तो देखिए यहाँ x is equals to या इस पर सब x is equals to ये क्या लिख सकते हैं 2a. what is the power of here? यहाँ पर पावर क्या है? डिफरेंशिएशन में क्या कर रहे थे, जो भी पावर था वो पावर को हम लेफ्ट साइड ले लेके जाके मल्टीप्लाई कर दे रहे थे. वॉट एवर पावर वाज देयर वी वर मल्टीप्लाइंग ऑन लेफ्ट साइड. मगर इंटीग्रेशन में क्या करना, यहाँ पर पावर क्या है 1 है, इंक्रीज द पावर बाय 1. इंक्रीज द पावर बाय 1, यहाँ पर 1 है तो यहाँ पर 1 से इंक्रीज करो 2 बन जाता. और जो भी पावर आया डिवाइडेड बाय 2. लेट्स राइट डाउन b. इज देयर एनी t हियर? नो t इज देयर. जस्ट राइट डाउन द t पावर 1 एंड डिवाइडेड बाय 1. तो ये कैंसिल करो. अगेन यू आर गेटिंग द सेम आंसर at स्क्वायर प्लस bt. जस्ट add the power and divide by whatever power you are getting. Okay, shall I turn the page? I will show once again. ऐसा एक प्रॉब्लम दिखाता हूं मैं, आप लोग उसका आंसर बोलिए मेरे को. इंटीग्रेशन t power -1 is log. Logarithm depends upon the quantities which we are using. Here t represents time. 1 by t logarithm. Yeah, so if I was writing 1 by a, then it would have been become log. Because here we are considering t with respect to time. Time है यहाँ पर t वाले पर. See here, I am writing one equation. What is that equation means? dx is equals to 3t square plus 2t plus 3. Find x. Integration. अब ये देखो, whenever small quantity is given, whenever small quantity is given, in order to get total quantity, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to do integration. मगर आप लाइन डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं. x is equals to 3 into what is the power of t? 2 है. वो पावर को 1 से इंक्रीज करे तो 3 बनता. वॉट एवर पावर यू आर गेटिंग डिवाइडेड बाई 3 प्लस 2 into what is the power of t here? यहाँ पर पावर ऑफ t is 1. तो वो पावर को 1 से इंक्रीज करो, दिस विल बिकम 2 एंड डिवाइडेड बाई 2 प्लस नेक्स्ट क्या है 3 है. 3 के पास कुछ भी नहीं है तो राइट डाउन t पावर 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 1. So what will be our answer? Our answer will become t cube plus t square plus 3t. T cube plus 3 square plus 3t. So remember this. Okay. Shall we move on to the problems? Screen blacker. I hope everyone is able to see the screen. सब लोगों को स्क्रीन दिख रहा ना? Yes. आप एक बार क्या करिए, फिर से ज्वाइन करिए. फिर से ज्वाइन करे तो सही आया था. Yeah. Now we are going to do some problems which are asked in previous year examinations. See here, first problem is based on vectors. जल्दी बोलिए. This is the IP question. ये तो IP का क्वेश्चन है. Two vectors a bar and b bar are such that magnitude of a bar plus b bar is equals to magnitude of a bar minus b bar. So what is the angle between them? I know that the magnitude of a bar plus b bar is under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, and this will be equals to what? Under root a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. ये स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड कर तो स्क्वायर स्क्वायर चले आता. यहाँ पर ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर, यहाँ पर का ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो जाता. व्हाट विल बी लेफ्ट विथ? विल बी लेफ्ट विथ 4ab cos theta is equals to 0. क्या बोलते हैं यहाँ पर minus 2ab cos theta. If I bring this minus 2ab to LHS, it will become plus 2ab. So this will become 4. And if I take this 4ab to RHS, this will become what? Cos theta will be equals to 0. Cos theta 0 कब रहता? We know that cos theta will be 0 whenever it is 90 degrees. So from this we can write what is the value of theta. Theta is equals to how much? 90 degrees. So theta is equals to 90 degrees. Similarly, can anyone do the second question? Second one. See here a bar cross b bar is equals to, he has given one condition. A bar cross b bar is equals to √3 of a bar dot b bar. And he is asking you to find the value of modulus a bar plus b bar. I know that modulus of a bar plus b bar is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. See, whenever cross product is there, we should use sin theta or cos theta. जिधर भी cross product है, sin theta use करना या cos theta use करना. There I should use sin theta. AB sin theta, that is equals to under √3. Wherever dot product is there at that time, what I am supposed to use? I am supposed to use AB cos theta. So AB get cancelled. From this I can write sin theta divided by cos theta is equals to under root 3. That is nothing but tan theta is equals to under root 3. When will be the value of tan theta as root 3? Angle kitni rahi to tan theta ki value root 3 banti? We know that whenever it is 60 degrees. So from this I got the value of theta as how much? I got the value of theta as 60 degree. Now just go and substitute in this equation. इधर substitute करिए, a bar plus b bar is equals to under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos 60 degree. What is the value of cos 60 degree? Cos 60 degree की value क्या है? A square plus b square plus 2ab cos 60 degree is nothing but 1 by 2. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So what is our final answer? Our answer will become a square plus b square plus ab. If I take this under root, this can be written as 1 by 2, whole power 1 by 2. So which one is the right answer? Option 4 is the right answer. Now see here. Third question. Here, whenever I said that we are doing mathematics, वो क्रॉस डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं आता, इंटीग्रेशन नहीं आता, बल्कि बोल दो डायरेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स के स्टूडेंट्स नहीं होते हम लोग, डायरेक्ट नहीं पूछता, बट उन्हें हमारे फिजिक्स में डिफरेंशिएशन और इंटीग्रेशन कैसा भी रहता तो उसके ऊपर प्रॉब्लम्स कैसा भी आते. अब आप देखते जाते इसके बाद. देखिए, फाइंड द टॉर्क, ऑलरेडी फॉर्मूला इज गिवन लकीली. फाइंड द टॉर्क टो बार इज इक्वल्स टू आर बार क्रॉस एफ बार. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एफ ही हैज गिवन? The value of f bar is minus 3i cap plus j cap plus 5k cap. And what is the value of r bar? R bar की value कितनी दिया? 7i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Now he is asking you to find what? R bar cross f bar. R bar cross f bar. So first of all, write down the directions. What are the directions? I, j, k. पहले क्या है? पहले r है, तो write down the values of r. 7, 3, 1. नेक्स्ट क्या है हमारे को? f है. राइट डाउन द वैल्यूज ऑफ f. -3, 1 एंड 5. तो इसका निकालिए, क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट निकालिए. क्या आता? i ऑफ 5 3 is 15 -1 minus j cap of 7 5 how much? 7 5 how much? 35 minus 3 into 1. This will become what? Plus 3 plus k cap. So it will become 7 plus 3 3 is 9. So what is our answer? Our answer will become 14 I cap minus 35 plus 3 will become 38. 38 j cap plus 7 plus 9 will become 16. 16 k cap. So which one is the right answer? First option is the right answer. Okay, shall I turn the page? Page paltao. Okay. See here. Next, please, NEET 2016 का क्वेश्चन है. जल्दी, what is the answer? बोलिए. He is telling that the magnitude of sum of two vectors, is equals to magnitude of difference of vectors. अभी करे problem ये. What is the answer? Answer is option 2, 90 degree आता हमारे पास. चलिए. Now let us see this question. देखिए मैडम, डिफरेंशिएशन इंटीग्रेशन का क्वेश्चन आ गया. Let us do this question. Okay. Carefully read this question. He is telling that there is a particle which is moving along a straight line OX. There is a particle which is moving along a straight line OX. At a time t in seconds, the distance x of the particle from O is given as. So this particle is starting from this distance O. At this particular position, the distance is given as x is equals to 40 plus 12t minus 2 cube. How long would the particle travel before coming to rest? He is telling that इन्हें रेस्ट पे आने से पहले कितनी दूर ट्रैवल करता बोल के पूछ रहा. So first of all, what we should find at this time t is equals to 0. इन्हें कितना डिस्टेंस पे था पहले वो फाइंड आउट करेंगे. एट फर्स्ट इनिशियल टाइम इन्हें ओ से शुरू हो रहा, ओ के पास इसका डिस्टेंस कितना था देखेंगे. सो एक्स एट टाइम टी इज इक्वल्स टू 0 विल बिकम व्हाट? 40 प्लस 12 into 0 minus 0 cube. So this will become how much? Distance at time t is equals to 0, it is becoming 40 meters. Now it is moving. The particle is moving from position O to X. In a distance दिया, whenever particle is moving, what we are supposed to find? We are supposed to find velocity. Velocity find out करना. What is the formula for velocity? We know the formula for velocity will become dx divided by dt. मैं आप लोगों को अभी बोला डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन कैसा करना. 40 के पास t नहीं है तो फर्स्ट टर्म विल बिकम 0. 12 इंटू टी पावर यहाँ पर 1 है, सो दिस विल बिकम 1 इंटू 12. यहाँ पर t पावर 0 बन जाता. माइनस व्हाट इज द पावर ऑफ t हियर? इट इज 3, सो दिस विल बिकम 3 इंटू टी स्क्वायर बन जाता. So what will be the value velocity? Velocity will become 12 minus t square into 3. 12 minus t square into 3. Now, whenever he is telling that the particle coming to rest, particle रुक जा रहा, तो velocity क्या बन जाती? Whenever particle is coming to the rest, what will be the velocity? Velocity will become 0. जब भी particle rest पे आ रहा तो velocity 0 बन जाती. So this will be equals to 0. So I can write 12 is equals to 3t square. 3 1 the 3, 4 the. So I can write t square is equals to 4. T is equals to how much? T will become 2 seconds. T की वैल्यू कितनी बन जाती है? 2 seconds बन जाती है. At time t is equals to, sorry, it should be 12 square. 12 square नहीं होता ना, यहाँ पर 3 है ना, 3 से कैंसिल कर दिया हम. 12 square नहीं आता. Now next what we are supposed to find? We are supposed to find the value at time t is equals to how much? At time t is equals to 2 seconds. What is the value if you substitute the value of t? T की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, 2 seconds की कितनी आ रही देखो. यहाँ पर t is equals to 2 seconds सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, कितनी आ रही? Substitute that value at time, distance at time t is equals to 2 seconds will become 40 plus 12 into 2 minus 2 cube. So this will become how much? 40 plus 12 into 2 will be how much? 24 minus 2 power 3 will become 8. So this will become 40 minus 8 will become 32. 32 plus 24 will become 56 meters. So at time t is equals to 0, the distance traveled is 40 meters. मतलब इन्हें 40 मीटर से शुरू करा और टाइम t is equals to 2 seconds में कितने डिस्टेंस पे आ गया? इन्हें 56 मीटर पे आ गया. So how much distance he has traveled in between this time interval? 0 से 2 seconds के बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करा इन्हें? I can say that distance at time t is equals to 2 seconds minus distance at time t is equals to 0 seconds. So this will become how much? 56 minus 40. So our answer will become 16 meter. Answer will become 16 meter. तो ये डिफरेंशिएशन इंटीग्रेशन डायरेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स के फॉर्म में नहीं आता, ये प्रॉब्लम्स के फॉर्म में आता. ओके, शैल आई टर्न द पेज? Here next question he is given. What is the question? The position x of a particle with respect to time along x-axis is given as, the position of the particle is given as x is equals to 90 square minus t cube. Whereas x is in meter and t in seconds. What will be the position of the particle when it achieves maximum speed? He is asking you to find the position of particle. Position of particle when it achieves maximum speed. Here, whenever you are getting maximum speed, maximum force, maximum velocity, what we are supposed to find? आखिर find out क्या करना रहता हमारे को? What we are supposed to find? जब भी maximum speed, maximum force, maximum velocity रहता, what we will be finding is that we will be taking maximum speed ds by dt will be, I will write v, dv by dt should be equals to what? 0. Remember, जब भी आप लोग क्वेश्चन में ऐसा maximum speed, maximum velocity बोल क्या है, अगर इन्हें यहाँ पर एक इक्वेशन दिया which is changing with respect to time, then what we should take? We should take differentiation of that should be equals to 0. So let us find this. First of all, we'll find the velocity. What is the formula for velocity? dx divided by dt. इसको differentiate करें तो क्या आता है? यहाँ पर पावर कितना है? 2 है. 9 2 how much? 18t minus 3t square. सेकंड डिफरेंशिएशन मेथड या फिर मैक्सिमा मिनिमा अप्रोच भी बोल सकते हैं आप लोग. Now we got the value of velocity, but he is asking you to find maximum velocity or maximum speed. So we are supposed to differentiate dv by dt and we should equate it to 0. So what this will become? Here the power of t is 1. So this will become 18 minus, what is the power here? Power is 2. So 3 to the how much? 3 to the 60. And this should be equals to what? 0. So from this I can write 18 is equals to 60. And 6 1 the 6, 3 is. So we are getting time t is equals to 3 seconds. Just take down this time and substitute it this equation. Distance travel के equation में substitute करिए. X is equals to, this will become what? 9 into 3 whole square minus 3 whole cube. So what will be the value? 9 into 3 square will become how much? 3 3 is 9 minus 3 cube will become 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So 81 minus 27. What is the answer? If subtract 81 minus 27, the answer will be 54 meters. So which one is the right answer? Option 3 is the correct answer. Option C. Can you please do this next question? AIPMT 2012 का क्वेश्चन करिए. He is asking you to find the retardation. Retardation का मतलब क्या find out करो बोल रहा है? He is asking you to find retardation. Retardation means what? Negative acceleration. जल्दी find out करिए and tell me the answer. What is the answer for this? Distance is given. Value of x is given. So x is equals to how much he has given? 8 plus 12t minus t cube. So velocity will become 12 minus 3t square. And acceleration will क्या बनता है? यहाँ पर t नहीं है, चले जाता है. यहाँ पर 3 to the 6 minus 6t. Acha, no. He is telling that the retardation of particle when its velocity becomes 0. Okay. So here he is telling that velocity is becoming 0. At this particular point, velocity is becoming 0. So I am writing this equation as 0 is equals to 12 minus 3t square. That is nothing but 12 is equals to 3t square. 3 1 the 3 4 the. So from this I get the value of t as 2 seconds. यहाँ से मेरे को t की value क्या आती है? 2 seconds आती है. Now if I substitute here, it will become what? Minus 6 into 2. This will be nothing but minus 12 meter per second square. But he is asking you to find retardation. Retardation is nothing but negative acceleration. So which will be the answer? Option will be 2. Shall I turn the page? I hope everyone are done with this. Shall I turn the page? Yes. Here this question was asked in AIPMT 2015 as well as this question was asked in NEET examination also. But before doing that question, please do this next question. Do this question. ये क्वेश्चन करिए, जल्दी करिए. We are left with a lot of questions. Do this question. Here x is given 5t minus 2t square and y is given 10t. What he is asking you to find? He is asking you to find the acceleration. So first I will find velocity along x-axis. This will become 5 minus. This will become 4t. And velocity along y-axis. This will become what? 10. Now acceleration along x-axis. This will become minus 4. And what will be the acceleration along y-axis? Acceleration along y-axis will become 0. So what is the right answer? Our option is option 2, minus 4 meter per second square. See here. Now let us do this question. This question which was asked in AIPMT 2015. Now if you carefully read this question, what he is telling, madam? A particle of unit mass undergoes one dimension motion such that the velocity equation is given. V of x is equals to beta into x power minus 2n. Here velocity is changing with respect to what? Velocity is changing with respect to x, not time. Here velocity is changing with respect to x. Where beta and n are constants, x is the position of the particle, and he is asking you to find acceleration of the particle as the function of x. He is asking you to find acceleration of particle as the function of x. He is asking you to find. Now see here, we know that the formula for acceleration is given as dv divided by dt. But here acceleration is what? Acceleration is the function of time t. But he is asking you to find what? He is asking you to find the acceleration as a function of x. So what I will be doing? I will be multiplying and dividing by dx. I am multiplying by dx. I am dividing by dx. Now if you carefully see this, what this will become? Rate of change of displacement will become velocity. So I can write dv divided by dx into v. Now I can easily solve this problem. See here, d by dx of what is the value of velocity with respect to x? It is beta into x power minus 2n. And what is the value of velocity? Velocity with respect to x is directly given. This is given as beta x power minus 2n. I will write this in bracket. Now, if you differentiate it, beta is constant. I can take outside. And what is the value of d by dx? X power n ki value kya raheti? N into x power n minus 1. So what this will become? This will become minus 2n into x power minus 2n minus 1. And what is the value of b? Beta into x power minus 2n. So I can take this minus 2n here, and beta into beta will become beta square. अब्दुल रहमान हसन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कुछ भी नहीं, मैं डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएट करा, उन्हें एक्सेलरेशन फाइंड आउट करो बोल रहा था, कितने टाइम पे फाइंड आउट करो बोल रहा था, 2 सेकंड पे फाइंड आउट करो बोल के बोल रहा था, मैं खाली इसको डिफरेंशिएशन करके एक्सेलरेशन फाइंड आउट करने की कोशिश करा, बस इतना ही है. So this will become minus 2n beta square. So here x power minus 2n, x power minus 2n. So this will become how much? X power minus 4n minus 1. So which one is the right answer? Acceleration of A with respect to x. Which one is the correct answer? Minus 2 beta 2n beta square x power minus 4n minus 1. Minus, हाँ, यहाँ पर first option is the right answer. Minus 4n minus 1. तो ऐसी क्वेश्चंस भी देता, जब आप लोग देख लेना वेदर इट इज चेंजिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम और कुछ अलग फंक्शन दिया. ओके, शैल आई टर्न द पेज? यस. नाउ प्लीज डू दिस क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर नीट 2016 का क्वेश्चन करिए. देखिए नीट 2016 में 2 बार पूछ लिया है. Here he has given that velocity of a particle is v is equals to at plus bt square, and he is asking you to find what? Distance traveled in which time? Distance traveled in 1 seconds to 2 seconds. See here, whenever here velocity is given, from velocity we are supposed to find distance. Means what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to integrate or differentiate. यहाँ पर integration करना या differentiation करना? We are supposed to integrate. Very good. What is the value of velocity? We know that velocity is given as dx divided by dt, that is equals to at plus bt square. So from this I can write dx is equals to at plus bt square into dt. So हमारे को distance होना है. Just integrate. This will become dx will become x, that is equals to integration. And from where to where he is telling? From 1 second to 2 second. 1 second to 2 second. This will become at into dt plus integration 1 second to 2 seconds. This will become bt square into dt. I will write this directly. ये डायरेक्टली लिखे तो क्या बनता? दिस विल बिकम a, यहाँ पर t पावर 1 है, तो आई सेड दैट यू शुड ऐड द पावर, इंक्रीज द पावर बाय 1 एंड डिवाइड बाय इट, प्लस हियर आल्सो व्हाट इज द पावर ऑफ t? t का पावर 2 है, तो यहाँ पर 1 से इंक्रीज करो, जो भी पावर आ रहा है उससे डिवाइड करो. एंड हियर ही हैज गिवन द लिमिट्स आर फ्रॉम वेयर टू वेयर? 1 to 2. सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज. सब्स्टिट्यूट करिए. a t स्क्वायर 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करें तो क्या बनता है? 4a divided by 2 plus substitute this 2 power 3 will become how much? 8b divided by 3 minus of, यहाँ पर 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करें, this will become a divided by 2 plus यहाँ पर क्या बनता? b divided by 3. So if you solve this, this will become 4a minus a by 2. This will become 3a divided by 2 plus 8b minus b. How much it will become? This will become 7b divided by 3. So which one is the right answer? Option third is the right answer. Sir, how do we decide? How did we decide to integrate it? I will explain how we should know whether we should integrate or differentiate it. Completed this one? Can will you try this? Will you try this question? Jaldi boliye whether you will try or not. Will you take this question as homework? Very easy question. He is telling that here he is telling that what he is telling? 2 cars P and Q start from a point at the same time in a straight line. यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं करा. यहाँ पर क्या है, लिमिट सब्स्टिट्यूट करा, जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूटेड द लिमिट्स, ये लिमिट्स को यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूट करा। यहाँ पर एक्चुअली लिमिट्स का हमारा, सपोज आई एम हैविंग वन इक्वेशन समथिंग लाइक दिस, ए बी एक्स पावर, सॉरी यहाँ पर इसको ऐसा लिखता हूँ, या आई एम हैविंग सम लिमिट समथिंग लाइक दिस, एक्स ऑफ ए बी है, तो मैं यहाँ पर आई विल सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ बी इन प्लेस ऑफ एक्स, देन आई विल सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ ए इन प्लेस ऑफ एक्स। तो वैसे ही यहाँ पर करा, यहाँ पर लिमिट पहले 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करा, उसके बाद यहाँ पर 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करा, बीच में नेगेटिव साइन आता। इफ आई ओपन दिस ब्रैकेट, दिस विल बिकम नेगेटिव माइनस ए बाई टू एंड दिस विल बिकम माइनस बी बाई थ्री। यहाँ पर 4a बाई टू माइनस ए बाई टू विल बिकम 3a बाई टू, और 8b बाई थ्री माइनस b बाई थ्री विल बिकम व्हाट, 7b बाई थ्री। बस उतना ही करा। ओके नबिया, बेसिक थिंग्स है ये। चलिए, he is telling that the velocities of two cars are same. At what time do the velocities have the same velocity? At what time do the cars have same velocities? So I am writing velocity of, he is asking us to find velocity of P is equals to velocity of Q at what time. So what I am doing, just equate these equations, ये दोनों के velocities find out करिए। velocity of P क्या बन जाती, d by dt of xp, this should be equals to d by dt of xq, so that is nothing but d by dt, ऐसा नहीं करना मगर कर दे रहा हूँ, directly you are supposed to do bt square is equals to d by dt of ft minus t square. Now if you differentiate this, this will become what, this will become a plus 2bt, and if I differentiate this, this will become f minus 2t. We are supposed to find the value of time, हमारे को इन्हें पूछ रहा at what time बोल के पूछ रहा है। So I will take this minus 2t here, 2bt plus 2t. I will take this a here, this will become f minus a. Now if I take the t common निकाले तो क्या बनता, 2b plus 2 is equals to f minus a. From this what I can find, I can find the value of t. T will be equals to how much, f minus a divided by, if I take this 2 common, this will become b plus 1. Which one is the right answer? F minus a divided by 2 of 1 plus b. Yes, option 2 is the right one. See, whatever problems which we are doing today, these problems will be very helpful in other chapters. कई बोल तो पूरे दूसरे chapters में differentiation, integration ही रहते. That will be very helpful. हाँ, मुदित ही थे ना, वो कोई पूछ रहे थे क्वेश्चन मेरे से. But this is also related with differentiation. He is telling that the potential energy of a particle is given as U is equals to A by R square minus B by R, where A and B are positive constants. R is the distance of particle from the center of the field. For stable equilibrium, we'll study about this concept in work energy power, but this differentiation problems are there also. Or stable equilibrium. What is the meaning of stable equilibrium? Whenever potential energy is given, the formula for stable equilibrium with respect to potential energy is F is equals to minus dou U divided by dou R, where dou is called as partial differentiation. I hope everyone know what is partial differentiation. तो बोलो को मालूम ना partial differentiation क्या है? Okay, please differentiate it with respect to R. Differentiate it with respect to R. This will become what? Minus dou by dou R of, what is the value of U? U की value is A by R square minus B divided by R. So what this will become? This will become minus dou by dou R of R square को ऊपर लाए तो this will become minus 2, and minus into minus will become plus dou by dou R of, this will become what? B into R power minus 1. And for stable equilibrium, this should be equals to 0. Sorry, for stable equilibrium, this should be equals to 0. So this should be equals to 0. So what this will become? This will become 0 is equals to, what is the power here? Minus 2. Minus of minus 2 AR minus 2 minus 1. Because I hope everyone know the formula for differentiation. D by dx x power n is nothing but n into x power n minus 1. Place, what is here? Power is minus 1. Minus 1 into B power R power minus 1 into minus 1. So what this will become? This will become what? 2a R power minus 3 minus B R power minus 2. So if I take this term here, this will become what? This will become 2a R power minus 3 is equals to b r power minus 2, that is nothing but 2a divided by b is equals to, this will become r power 3 divided by r power 2. So if you cancel this, what is the value of distance I'm getting? I'm getting the value of distance as 2a divided by b. So which one is the right answer? Our option 4 is the right one. There is a difference between partial differentiation and normal integration. बहुत बड़ा difference है इसमें. अब वो explain करे तो मैथमेटिक्स में नहीं जाना चाह रहा हूँ. पार्शियल डिफरेंशिएशन और नॉर्मल डिफरेंशिएशन में डिफरेंस है. कभी टाइम मिला मेरे को एक्स्ट्रा टाइम तो मैं समझाता हूँ आपको. If I am getting extra time, I will explain that what is the difference between partial differentiation and normal differentiation. See here, will you do this problem? This question is from system of particles. System of particle. Only 3 minutes are left. See here. Here he has given angular position theta is equals to how much he has given? 2t cube minus 6t square he has given. And he is asking you to find torque. I know that the formula for torque is given as I into alpha, where I is called as moment of inertia and alpha is called as angular acceleration. Alpha is called as angular acceleration. And he's telling that torque on the wheel becomes 0 at what time? Torque 0 kab banta bolke puch raha. Now, what is the formula for angular acceleration with respect to theta? Angular acceleration ka formula kya banta? That is nothing but acceleration. This will become d square theta divided by dt square. So if you substitute and make it to 0, you will be getting the value of t. You will be getting the value of t. Will you do this? ये problem कर लेते आप लोग. Just you are supposed to substitute. I will show remaining problems. मैं आप लोगों को remaining problem दिखाता हूँ because we are left with only 2 minutes. I hope you will do this problem. Already कर लिया, very good. Others दूसरे हैं no? Others. I am turning the page. See here, this question is also from system of particles and this question is from electrostatics. Here also, what is the formula? Electric field with respect to electric potential. What is the formula for electric field with respect to potential? The formula is given as minus dou v by 2x I cap, because here x, y, z are given. X, y, z are given means we should take 3 directions. Minus dou v by dou y j cap minus dou v by dou z k cap. Apply this formula and get the answer. Apply this formula and get the answer. यहाँ पर dou v by dou x I cap, you will be getting the answer in I, j k directions. I think this is the end. Oh no, one more problem is there. Here also is asking you to find electric field at what points? 1, 1, 0. Again, you are supposed to use the same formula. Minus dou v by dou x I cap minus dou v by dou y j cap minus dou v by dou z k cap. Apply the formula and get the answers for this question and for this question. And this question is nothing but he is asking you to find the torque. Torque का formula क्या है? Tau bar is equals to r bar cross f bar. Here the positions are given. So I will become r1 will become how much? 2 I cap plus 0 j cap minus 3 k cap. And what will be the value of r2? R2 position की value क्या बनती? 2 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. So position vector r bar can be written as r2 bar minus r1 bar. So this will become what? 2 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap minus 2 I cap minus 0 j cap. Here minus into minus will become 3 k cap. So what will be our answer? 2 I cap will become 0 minus 2j minus 0j. It will become minus 2j cap minus 2k plus 3k. It will become k cap. So you got the value of r bar. You know the value of f bar. I hope you can find this value r bar cross f bar. By using this determinant, please find the value and you will be getting the answer. I hope you will do this remaining 3 problems. आप लोग 3 problems कर लेते बोल के I am expecting. Tomorrow we are going to study another chapter. Okay.